A very warm welcome to all our viewers
on this super hot but happening episode of Beyond Breaking News,
where the news is of the people,
for the people, but always
by the youth. Which is why I, Krish,
and I, Shlesha, will be your host for today's news bulletin.
I know you all are eagerly waiting for the stories.
Don't worry, your wait will definitely yield fruits. But before that, let us trigger off with the headlines.
Orientation program starts with a big bash in Henrynagar.
9th and 10th standard extra classes take a vigorous turn in the month of June.
Popular shampoo contains toxic chemical linked to nerve damage.
Our first story hits the aim and object of an orientation program, emphasizes teachers as agents of social economic change and national development. Orientations are conducted to equip teachers with a wider scope of their profession.
For better classroom interaction, 3 practical sessions are held. Each orientation program therefore must engage in the awareness of the problem as well as in the occasion of their achievements.
Reporter Pankuri will take us to a new height. Let's see. Good morning to all our viewers. I, Rajiv Pankuri, is at Hibrinagar, Nagpur, where the orientation program of teacher is at its best. Let's ask the viewers. Good morning, ma'am. Your name, please? Ma'am, why do you think orientation is important for our teachers?
It is very important for teachers because teachers have to revise and check out whatever the things are going on, and they have to update themselves so that they can update students.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we are moving on to the next teacher. Good morning, ma'am. Your name, please? Ma'am, do you think last year's orientation program is different from this year?
Yes, of course it is different. Last year we were taught with the subject, and this we are with the CPE pattern. So it is totally different.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we are moving to the next participant. Good morning, ma'am. Your name, please? Ma'am, what changes this orientation program brings you this year?
Actually, I am a new teacher, so the point of comparison I can't compare. So it's class.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have the principal of this school, Mrs. Padmaja Marathi with us. Ma'am, what is your experience of this year's orientation program as per the teacher's presentation?
I would compare the orientation program of 2012 and 13 as like a flower blossoming from a bud. As one by one the petals are opening, in the same way all the teachers got opened up, and I am very happy and confident today standing with a team, strong team who can really create efficient engineers, doctors, scientists, designers, more of innovators from our school, and surely each and every teacher is going to come up to the logo and the motto of our school, that is excellence in all the fields. And I believe this kind of orientation program is started by our founder parent, our chairman, Dr. Agustin Francis Pinto, and our managing director, Madam Grace Pinto, has really boosted each one's confidence and brought them to excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Why this? We can conclude that the principal of the school is very happy by the teacher's presentation. Myself, Rajiv Pankuri, with camera person Karan Bagre, standing up from BVM. Moving on from one important issue to another.
Well, Ashlesha, what would that be?
Oh, Chris, how can you forget? New classroom, new teachers, new friends, all coming together for extra classes that is going on for 9th and 10th standard.
Here is Madhulika for the workshop.
Class 9A, where everyone is studying. Let's know how effort they have been putting in their studies. Yourself?
Myself, Abu Pandey. I have planned this year to concentrate on my studies, and I will work hard and I will achieve my aim.
Okay, Abba says she's working hard for her study. Let's know another view of another student.
My name is Tanmay Muslim. I will be concentrating on my studies as this is an important academic year, and this shall be a stepping stone in all our academic career which we will be forwarding in the future.
Tanmay says it is a stepping stone for their academic year. Let's know the view of 10th standard students. I'm studying in class 10B, where everyone is studying mathematics. Let's know their plans, how they are going to study for this year.
My name is Pratik Gupta. My 10th view is to gain above 80% and to study hard.
Here, everyone is trying to study hard. Let's view another student for their opinion.
Myself, Sweetie, and I am also trying to
plans are to score above 95 and to prove others that I can do other things from mysterious things.
Everyone is trying to score more than 90%. With this note, this is YJ Madhulika with camera person Karan signing off for Beyond Breaking News.
Friends, let us head toward the advertisement section. Well, Ashlisha, which shampoo do you use?
Well, I use Clinic Plus shampoo. It really gives shine to my hair.
Ashlisha, you are so ignorant about the things prevailing. Let us switch on to reporter Anuradha, who is now at present working with All India Shampoo Production.
The company of Health have found an ingredient that damages nervous system. The experiment were conducted with the brain cells of rats that show connection with an ingredient called MIT that causes neurological damage. This is YJ Anuradha with camera person Karan Bagli signing off for this.
Anuradha, have a nice day. So Ashlisha, better be careful. If not, you might turn to be an unusual species.
What nonsense.
So friends, it's time for us to take your leave.
Goodbye.
And take care.